This video is about finding the sum of interior, sum of exterior, each interior and each exterior of a polygon, and finding the number of diagonals. So these are a bunch of just practice problems to review using the different formulas. So remember, we need to know what our formulas are. So to find the sum of interior, it's 180 times n minus 2. To find each interior angle, it's 180 times n minus 2 over n. The sum of exterior angles is 360. Each exterior is 360 divided by the number of sides. Our diagonals is n times n minus 3 divided by 2. And remember that each interior plus each exterior forms a straight line, so together they equal 180 degrees. Number one, find the measure of interior angles of a decagon. So a decagon, remember, has 10 sides. We want to find the measure of an interior angle. So we are doing one interior angle, each interior. So we would have 180 times 10 minus 2 divided by our number of sides, which is 10. So we get 144 degrees. In number two, if the sum of measures of the interior angles is 1,260, what is the name of the polygon? So we got to figure out our number of sides first. So we are going to set that equal to our sum of interior angles. So we have 180 times n minus 2 is equal to 1,260. We can distribute the 180 into the parentheses, and we can add 360 to both sides. So 180n is equal to 1,620. When we divide by 180, we get 9 sides, which means that this is a nonagon. In number 3, a hexagon has angles that measure 13x, 12.5x, 11x, 10x, 8.5x, and 5x. Find the measure of the smallest angle. So first, we need the sum of the interior angles. So we have 180 times 6 minus 2. So in a hexagon, all of our interior angles should add up to 720 degrees. So we can add up all of these angles to get 60x equals 720. We divide, x is 12. We want to find the measure of the smallest angle. Well, our smallest angle is going to be 5x. So we have 5 times 12, which gets us 60 degrees. In number 4, the sum of interior angles is equal to 7 times the measure of the exterior angles. Determine the name of the polygon. So the sum of the exterior angles, 180 times n minus 2, is equal to 7 times the measure of the sum of the exterior. Well, the sum of the exterior is always 360, so 7 times 360. So when we go to distribute, we get 180n minus 360 is equal to 2,520. We can add 360 to both sides, so 180n is equal to 2,880. When we divide by 180, we get n is 16. So this is going to be a 16gon. In number 5, a regular polygon's exterior angle is 22.5 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have? So each exterior angle is going to be 360 over n, and that's going to equal 22.5 degrees. So we can multiply both sides by n. 360 equals 22.5 n. When we divide, we get n is 16. So this is a 16gon. Number 6, 10 angles measure 1,497 in an 11gon. What is the measure of the 11th angle? So first we need our sum of an 11gon. So something with 11 sides is going to be 180 times 11 minus 2. And that's going to get us 1,620 degrees. Then we want to find our missing angle. So we know that 10 angles have a sum of 1,497. So we're going to subtract that and get that our missing angle is 123 degrees. The measure of each interior angle is 165 degrees. Find the name of the polygon. So the interior angle formula is a little hard to work with. So to find each exterior, we can subtract from 180, we get 15 degrees. 360 over n equals 15. 360 equals 15n. When we divide, we get n is 24, so this is a 24 gallon. In number 8, we want to find the number of diagonals in a regular polygon if each interior is 168 degrees and 3/4. So again, let's find the exterior angle first. So when we do that, we can subtract from 180, we get 11 1/4 degrees. So 360 over n equals 11 1/4 degrees. 360 is equal to 11 1/4 n. When we divide, we get 32 sides. So now we need to find the number of diagonals. So the number of diagonals then is going to be 32 times 32 minus 3 divided by 2. So we get 464 diagonals. Number 9, find each exterior angle for a regular polygon with 27 diagonals. So first we need to figure out how many sides we have. So we have n times n minus 3 over 2 equals 27. N squared minus 3n equals 54. N squared minus 3n minus 54 equals 0. We're going to factor, so n is n minus 9, n plus 6 equals 0. So we get n is 9 or negative 6. We can't have negative sides. So we now know we have 9 sides. So to find each exterior angle, we're going to do 360 divided by 9, and we get 40 degrees. In number 10, find the sum of interior angles when the regular polygon exterior angle is 20 degrees. So we have 360 over n equals 20. 360 equals 20n, so n is going to equal 18. Now that we have 18 sides, to find our sum of interior angles, we're going to do 180 times 18 minus 2 is going to be 2,880 degrees. In number 11, find the ratio of an interior angle to an exterior angle. The ratio of an interior angle to an exterior angle is 3 to 1. Name the polygon. So we know that the interior angle is 3x, the exterior angle is x. So we have to find what that equals first. So 3x plus x equals 180, or x equals 180, x is 45. So each exterior angle is going to be 45, each interior angle is going to be 135. So to find our number of sides then, we would have 360 over n equals 45. 360 equals 45n. When we divide by n, or by 45, we get 8. So this is an octagon. In number 12, how many sides does a polygon have if the sum of interior angles is equal to 10 right angles? So we have 180 times n minus 2 equals 10 times 90. 180n minus 360 equals 900. We can add 360 to both sides. 180n equals 1,260. We divide n is 7. So we have 7 sides. This is a heptagon.